Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed, plain content where we talk about the good, the bad, the thriving, and the dying plants in our collection. And we try to learn the best way to grow our plants so they stop dying. If that sounds like something you're interested in, you'd like to participate or contribute to, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So we got a little different setup going on here today, and I have a box. This is from Josh's Frogs, and it is a wish list plant for me. And we're gonna open it up together, and we're gonna try this whole, you see the plant and my face at the same time, but it doesn't end up working out. So let me know in the comments below. Be like, just go back to showing us the plants. We don't need to see your face the whole time. It's not necessary. Okay. So we got the invoice. This is what it looks like packaged when you first open it. I bought two of the same plant. One because I could, and also I have ordered from Josh's Frogs before. I have a couple of videos if you like search, and they usually are very small plants, so I wanted to have a fuller plant, so I bought two. And they are wrapped like this. And we'll try to open it. Try to show you first. Oh, there's dirt. That's okay. How does it look? Oh wow, it's bigger than I thought it was going to be. I was expecting a couple of leaves, and that was it. But this guy's, there is some dirt, but that is fine. So this is the peperomia incana, the fuzzy peperomia, and even the stems and the petioles are fuzzy. Can you see the fuzz? You can. It does have some dirt kind of all over it, but that will eventually fall off. And look how cute. Alright, so I'm going to open up the other one really quick. Kind of try to brush this dirt off of me. So I got these both for $8.99, I think. And then shipping was like 10 or 12 bucks. So Josh's Frogs is good for like some cheaper plants. Okay, so this plant is not as tall, but it's more bushy, which is good because then we can, when I pot them together, we can have like a taller part and a shorter, bushier part, and it'll make it look nice and full. Look how good that looks. I think my peperomia collection is complete. I have the raindrop, I have the watermelon, I have the obtusifolia, I have the quadrangularis, and then I have a couple others, like the peperomia blanca, peperomia scandens. I have a good amount of peperomias. And so I think I'm officially done with peperomias. All the other ones, they kind of, for me, start to repeat anyway, so that's when I start to go for the fancier, maybe fuzzier ones, I don't know. But I'm looking for pests. I don't see any. I wish they had done a little bit of a better job at holding the soil in, because now I'm going to have to sweep, but it's fine. So yeah, I'm going to be letting them acclimate for a couple of days, and making sure there's still no bugs or anything showing up on them, and then we'll be potting them up together. So this was just a quick little unboxing video. Until next time, guys, relax, plants, and peace out.